Folks, welcome back to the bushcraft camp in Ireland. It's December, the month of Christmas, the month in which we buy loads of crappy and not so crappy presents. But this time I thought we'd do some crafting for our loved ones and friends and craft them something nice as a Christmas present. Yeah, I got a piece of willow here. Let's get going, let's get crafting. And I think my apple is about right, or maybe a bit overdone. That's really good. It's always nice. Now it's really time to do some work, some crafts.
Hey fella.
Smooth Gefixt, ouwe.
Take care about nature. Nice curvature for either a spoon or a spatula. So for some more inspiration on carving projects, this time it was a spatula, but one of my favorite carving utensils is actually a spork. I made a few ones already on the channel. You can check that out, the Highlander video and last year's Christmas carvings with Dylan. But the cool thing about the spork is, you know, people like that. It's very usable. They will take them with them on the travels, or some kitchen utensils, of course. You know, them folks will use those synthetic spatulas in their kitchen. Well, this one is for one of them. Some inspiration for you guys. Spatula is done. You know, with them spatulas it's very important that the grain goes in this direction and not in that direction anywhere, because then it will split. You see? If we look at this, on the edge here, the grain is relatively straight from here till here. So that's the part where your spatula will have to come out. That's very important. This one was nicely done in the curvature with the wood, so the grain really it doesn't stop straight here, the grain goes really like that. So that way it won't break here. Seems legit, huh? So all that's left to do now is give it some sanding, make it nice and smooth with some sandpaper, and then a few layers of oil over it, food oil, you know, and the spatula is ready to be presented as a gift. Environmental friendly, personal, and also for free. What do you want more? Well, after all, if you want to buy a good Christmas gift, I would recommend maybe a carving set, so next time they can carve their own Christmas presents, or yourself. This one is from Woodcarving. It was sent to us. It seems to be very decent. It's affordable. It comes with a strop and some compound, a spoon knife, a little for the fine jobs, little carving knife, and the basic carving knife. I'm happy with it. Link in the description to the Woodcarving tools. Of course, you don't have to use your axe for this craft if you don't have one, but it makes it quicker. But it can also be done just by knife. It's just a bit of a longer process. An axe for Christmas, maybe a good gift. Yeah, let's get carving, folks. Work to do, a lot of presents. Next week, Dylan will be back. Yes, because I'm back in Ireland. And we're gonna do some cool stuff. Stay tuned for that. And in the meanwhile, you can maybe watch last year's Christmas carving video together with Dylan. That's a pretty cool one. If you haven't already seen that, check that out. Thanks for watching, and we see you on the next one. Smooth Gefixt. Next Friday, we'll be back.